gonna do experiments. I'm so excited. Come on. Okay, are you ready? So first we're gonna make soap. We need Gasoline and a cup. Ask your parents to put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Okay, now put the color. I will choose the red. Mix it well. We have two shapes. The fish and the star. I'll choose the star. Okay, so here's the star. Ask your parents to put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. And now, a volcano. Mix the ingredients well. Water with red color. Mix it also. Put it in here. Here. Wow! It's so fun! Wow! It's so cool! It's really cold! How awesome! Wow! I like it! So cool! How about underwater volcano? So let's take one scoop of it, this, and put it here. Another scoop, and put it here. Wow, look at that! Wow, my hand's a little bit red. Wow. Who likes fireworks? Oop, I do. Before we do this, let me show you the soap. It's done. Like this. Ta-ta! Oh, there we go. Oh. How about making a magic balloon? Here you go. Let's try this. Wow. So cool. Love it. Look at this. It's so hard. I love it. Try to do it, guys. Let's make colors. Now we have yellow, red, and blue. Let's see, the first one is blue. Let's put it on the yellow. We're gonna put 2 drops of blue. 1, 2. 2. And let's close the lid. Then put it back, mixing. Wow, it's turning green. Let's see the second color, yellow. Let's put yellow on the red. 2 drops. 1, 2. Close the lid and let's see. Wow, it's turning orange. Let's see. Let's put the red on the blue. This and 2 drops. 1 and 2. Close the lid and put it. Now let's mix. Wow, it's turning purple. And now let's put the orange in the purple. Then you'll mix. Wow, it's turning black. Then let's put the green on, the orange on the green. Then mix. Now let's turn this here. Then mix. Wow, it's turning dark green. You want to make some juice? Let's do it together. First we need here 1 scoop and then put it in the yellow. Then we scoop 1 and put it in the blue. We'll scoop another one and put it in the red. That's so pretty. Wow, I love it. Wow, it's really soft. Hard. Wow, I love it. Look, just these. Yellow, blue, and red. These the jewels what we make. Let's make some popping colors. Let's do this. You put the blue. Wow. Here and the red. This one doesn't really work. Guys, I just made this too, and they glow in the dark. So these are the ones that I showed you. Guys, let's mix these 2 colors together. First we put the blue, then the yellow. Let's mix them. This is so hard, but it flows. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wow. It's so hard. Everybody likes slime. I made one. Look, it's red. Look, guys, it's so sticky. And it's cool. Wow. Slime. Love it. It's really sticky. Wow. Look, it's really sticky. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my experiments. Bye-bye.